right, so there was one vocab word that we went over that you don't know yet. I'm on the back right here. That vocab word was angle bisector. So that's what this blank is. Angle bisector. On the back page. Go ahead. Go ahead. On the back. All right. So an angle bisector is this. There's a ray. Do you see this ray? Say hi, Ray. Hi, Ray. That's Ray. Okay. He is splitting this big angle down the middle. So angle XYZ is being split by ray YW down the middle. So if this is 80 degrees, how much is over here? It splits it down the middle. So if this is 80, it's equal to the other side, which is 80. So if a whole angle was 140 and I split it into two, how many pieces is each angle? Y'all, what's 140 divided by 2? 140 divided by 2. What's 14 divided by 2? Add a 0. Oh my goodness, I'm kind of worried. I'm kind of worried. You had $140. I take half of it. How much do you have left? See, I put money in it and you understand it. Okay? All right. So, in this figure right here, Cardell, will you turn the light off? It's easier to see. Colby? You're pushing my limits today. You're just talk. Thank you. All right. So, in this figure, you see that, or you're told right here, that BF bisects angle CBE. So I'm not even looking at this other half. I'm just looking at C to B to E. Cardell, door please. So if BF bisects this angle, then both of these pieces are the same. Okay, so both 3 and 4 are the same. In number 1, we are told that E to B to F is 6x plus 4. So I'm going to write 6x plus 4.
For both or
just for that one. Carson. Lock it. Thank you. Okay? Next one. CBF. C to B to F is 7x minus 2. Now, both of those are equal. They're the same. So how do I solve for x? I just gave you 2 hints. They equal each other. They're the same. They're both equal. So to solve for x, set them equal to each other. So you have 6x plus 4 is equal to 7x minus 2. How do I get 6 to the other side? Subtract. Bring your 4 down. What's 7 minus 1? 7 minus 6. 1. Bring down your negative 2. How do I get 2 to the other side? Plus 2. So it's x equal to 6. But guess what? Are we done? No. We have to find the measure of EBF. Well, look. Here's EBF. So to find this measure, just plug it into what EBF was equal to. So the measure of angle EBF is equal to 6 times 6 plus 4. What's 6 times 6? 36. What's 36 plus 4? 40. That's your answer. So when two things are congruent and you need to solve for x, just set them equal to each other. Okay, let's do 2. Now I'm going to erase what I wrote earlier because each time you start over, your numbers change. So EBF for number 2 isn't equal to 40. It's different. So I'm going to erase this and write the numbers for number 2. Measure of angle 3. Is that the same angle 3 right here? It's talking about the same one, right? So this is 6y plus 2 and 8y minus 14. I just wrote in the angle measures of 3 and 4. Brayden, how do I solve for y if these two are congruent? What do we do in number 1? Huh?
I can't think of the word.
Somebody help them out. What do we do? Set them equal to each other because they're congruent. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4, so just set these equal to each other. 6y plus 2 is equal to 8y minus 14. So let's solve. Logan, how do I get 6 to the other side? Don't divide. I want to take all of it with me. What's the opposite of addition? So subtract 6y. Bring down your 2. What's 8 minus 6, class? 8 minus 6. 2. Bring down 14. Savannah, how do I get 14 to the other side? What's the opposite of this? Add. Good. Add 14. 2 plus 14, class? 16. So you have 16 equals 2y. And y is equal to what? 8. Should I hack them? Okay, here's the thing. We are finding the measure angle of CBE. Go look. What is CBE? Is it just one piece? No, it's that whole section right here that we've been talking about. C to B to E. So I want to find what 3 and 4 together are. Okay, well we know what y is. It's 8. So let's plug it in and just find one piece. 8 times 8 minus 14. Madison, what's 8 times 8 minus 14? What is it? 50. Just 50? Just 50. Okay. Okay. So I found that just this piece is 50. Well, Parker, if this piece is 50, what's this piece? Because they're the same. Do I have to plug the other one in, or can I just know that that's 50? I can just know. So it's 50 plus 50. 100. So the measure of angle CBE was 100 degrees. Yes. Yes. Could you, I plugged 8 into this one? I would have still got 50. Yes. Okay. So there are 2 things I need you to do, and you have about 12 minutes to do them. And I think it is totally doable. Okay? Here's what you need to do. On your homework, 15 and 16. That's all that I want you to do for homework. After you're done with 15 and 16, I want to see you studying your vocab. Either on Quizlet or on the paper. One of the 2. Do you comprehend? 15, 16, and then I want to see you studying your vocab either on the paper or on Quizlet. I already posted it to Google Classroom.